Good morning, everyone. For today's craft, we will need a paper plate. We will also need an orange construction paper, a yellow construction paper, and brown construction paper. We will also need brown crayon and brown marker. We will need a black marker. We will also need a child safety scissor, and we also need glue, and if you have some feathers you can use that as well. Let's start by taking the paper plate and our brown marker or crayon and drawing a straight line going across in the middle, like this. Now after that, we will take our brown crayon or marker and we're going to color half of it like this. Once we're done with that, we're going to safely insert our thumb in the small hole of our scissor and cut across the middle where we drew the line. Very carefully cutting across like this. And after that, we should take our brown construction paper and we're going to fold that in half. And once we're done folding that in half, we're going to take our scissor and carefully cut all the way across the fold. We should have something like this after. And once we're done with that, we're going to fold it in half. So we took that piece of paper and folded it in half, and we're going to fold it again in half like this. And once we're done, we are going to fold it in half this way. And once we are done, we are going to take our scissor and we are going to cut that fold. So our paper should look like this. And then we're going to cut that fold of that paper. And we're going to layer our paper and cut across so that we have strips of brown paper. And we want to make at least 10 to 15 strips like these. And once we are done with that, we're going to take them and we're going to start gluing them on our paper plate. Now you can use regular glue, glue stick, or tape. I use glue. And we should have something that looks like this at the end. Let's put that aside and let's take our yellow paper and we are going to take our marker and draw ovals. I drew 3. After drawing, we're going to take our scissor and cut around the shape that we just drew. After cutting them, we are then going to start gluing them onto the back of the paper plate. Now we're going to take them and start aligning them on the back so that they look like this. I used regular tape, but you can use glue, glue stick, whatever adhesive that you have available. And then after, we're going to take our orange paper and we're going to draw small triangles for the beaks of our chicks. Now since I have 3 ovals, I drew 3 triangles. Now once you are done drawing your triangles, you can start cutting them out. And we are going to then glue the triangles on the middle of your ovals. And I use regular glue for this, but again, you can use any kind of adhesive that you have available. Now, once you are done gluing the triangles on your ovals, you can then take a black marker and draw 2 very small circles on each of your ovals. These are going to be the eyes. If you have access to feathers, then you can go on ahead and start adding them on as well.